If you're 12 years old or older and you still need to be told to go get your work in, you don't really want it bad enough. All of you guys say you want to play in the MLB or you want to play college ball one day. If you're not starting to get into the habit of working out consistently, you're not going to make it. End of story. Because it takes a lot more work than you think. Hitting 1 or 2 days a week is not going to cut it. So again, I say, if you need to be told to go get your work in, you can forget about this dream or this fantasy of one day playing in the big leagues. Because those dudes who are in the big leagues, they weren't hitting 1 to 2 days a week. They were hitting 7 days a week. Because hitting is one of those things that you've got to do every single day. And if you're not doing it every single day, somebody else is. You have to be willing to put in the work every single day or forget about it.